Hi everybody, Sherry Sicard, aka Cannabis Sherry here, and I'm here today with a review of Santa Cruz Shredder's hemp grinders. Yes, the grinder itself is actually made of hemp. Before I get to that review though, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And please do me a huge favor and hit that like button too if you get value out of my videos, as it helps us be seen in YouTube's algorithm. Oh, and if you like my $4.19 Got a Minute shirt, that's available on my website along with a lot of other fun cannabis designs, so I'll put a link to those in the comments below. Okay, so this grinder is actually made out of hemp. And if you don't know, hemp can make tens of thousands of different products, and this is one of them. So even though it looks like plastic, it's not. And if it should ever find its way into a landfill, God forbid, this will, over the years, biodegrade, unlike plastic. So it is actually made out of hemp. I like the grinder. It's really nice and it's really smoothly operating. And I'll show you that in a minute. We have the typical grinder teeth there. There is a keef screen. This is some weed I already ground in it, so we'll just toss that out there. And there is a keef screen on the bottom layer, which I don't have a lot of keef in there yet because I haven't used this grinder a lot since I last cleaned it. So I do like this Santa Cruz Shredder. That's kind of hard to say, Santa Cruz Shredder hemp grinders. I like that they are small, they're compact, they work well. I like that it has a keef screen. And so it works well. What is the downside? I did find that it got kind of sticky pretty fast, like faster than I typically would need to clean my grinder. I had to clean this one. Maybe it's because I had some really good weed, but it got very, very sticky really fast. However, there is a solution to that, and it's another accessory that Santa Cruz Shredder makes, and it is grinder grease. And what grinder grease is, I did a separate review on it, but it's a solid hemp oil stick. And what you do is you just run that along the threads of your grinder, and that keeps everything moving smoothly and keeps it from getting too sticky. So let's see, I did grind most of this, and what we have down here is some very nicely ground weed. I don't know if you can see that. So it does a really great job. Again, biodegradable if it ever gets into a landfill. And just kind of a nice conversation piece to promote hemp products. Santa Cruz Shredder's hemp grinders. Check them out.